Unveiling the magic of fluorite. Fluorite, with its mesmerizing rainbow of colors, has captivated hearts for centuries. From deep purples to vibrant greens, each piece holds a unique charm. This is not just a pretty stone. Fluorite possesses an energy that resonates deeply with our own. Ancient civilizations recognized its power, using it in rituals and ceremonies. Today, fluorite continues to fascinate, its beauty matched only by its purported benefits for the mind and spirit. In the world of crystal healing, fluorite stands out for its ability to bring order to chaos. It is believed to clear mental fog, allowing for sharper focus and increased concentration. This makes it a favorite for students, artists, and anyone seeking mental clarity amidst the daily hustle. Whether you're drawn to its vibrant hues or its metaphysical properties, fluorite offers a captivating glimpse into the power of nature's wonders. Fluorite's healing touch. One of fluorite's most celebrated attributes is its ability to enhance mental clarity. It's believed to cleanse the mind of negativity and cluttered thoughts, paving the way for improved concentration and focus. Imagine a mind free from distractions, able to process information with ease and make decisions with confidence. That's the promise fluorite holds. But fluorite's benefits extend beyond just mental acuity. It is also believed to be a powerful stress reliever. Its calming energy can help soothe frayed nerves and quiet an overactive mind. Many people find that holding or meditating with fluorite brings about a sense of peace and tranquility, washing away the stresses of the day. Whether you're a student facing exam pressure or simply navigating the ups and downs of life, fluorite can be a steadfast companion on your journey to inner peace. History is as rich and varied as its colors. Ancient civilizations, recognizing its unique properties, incorporated fluorite into their rituals and beliefs. The Egyptians, for example, carved beautiful ornaments from fluorite, believing it to hold protective powers. In ancient China, fluorite was prized for its purported ability to ward off evil spirits and promote harmony. Today, while we may not use fluorite in the same way as our ancestors, its allure remains undiminished. In our modern world, where stress and information overload are commonplace, fluorite's ability to calm the mind and enhance focus is more relevant than ever. Whether you wear it as jewelry, keep it on your desk, or simply admire its beauty, fluorite serves as a tangible reminder of the power of nature to heal and inspire. Embrace the power of fluorite. Subscribe and like. Have you experienced the magic of fluorite? Share your story in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more insights into the world of crystals and their healing properties.